it's Belle here. I am just doing a video to have a little brag about finishing the Recipe for SEO Success course. It's my little certificate here. It's been such a brilliant course. I can now officially say I'm an SEO geek, so that's fantastic. I don't know if I'll ever be an SEO geek, but I know a lot more than I did when I started. I'm a marketing manager for a wine business, 6 Foot 6 Wines and Austin's Wines, and so it's a pretty competitive field online. So when I was getting quotes for external companies to do my SEO of around $1,000 to $2,000 a month, I just wasn't convinced that that was money well spent. So I found Kate and did the course myself. In the last few months, our ranking in Google has already increased. I've been able to grasp what SEO is, and for someone that's not tech savvy, it's pretty good. And not just that, but I've got a really clear content plan for the next 12 months because I've finally really discovered what my customer is searching for and what they want, and that's invaluable knowledge that I have right now. So even if you don't do the SEO yourself, I recommend that you do the course. I think every marketing manager should do it, except if you're in wine, because I really don't want another competitor. Not really, but yeah, no, don't do it if you're in wine. So anyway, all the best, and I really encourage you to do the big course. It's been probably the best investment I've made in my last 5 years working at the business. All right, thanks. Bye.